It's weird how we're not under slipping precautions right now because of the amount of wind that's out here. So I've just been sent around to right there, right there, excuse me, right there to get the battery out of the light. Yeah, we're still open, we're still doing full blown work to get a light out of the battery. I mean, a battery out of the light. And they won't let me crack the fire door open to get it. And they said they'll set the alarm off. I have to go all the way around. There's black ice on the stove. I have to go all the way around to the other side. This is will do a lesson while I'm doing it, right? So while I'm taking this long walk, see how we can waste time around here? I just want to update you on a few things. Have you ever been told to do something and you just want to question the person who told you to do it? Or ask them? Or have you ever asked them again what you're supposed to do? You walk into a room, right? And you ask them, what am I supposed to do? And they tell you to do this. And then you ask them again, what am I supposed to do? You ask them in a different way thinking you're going to get a different answer. But to your shock and confusement, you get the same answer despite the fact that you ask a question in a different way. Well, we do that to God all the time. We pray to Him asking Him for a solution, with only to say, go back to Him again, to pray to Him again. We came out of it right here. This is a fire door. If we crack it open, the so-called alarm will go off. We will go back to God again, pray to Him again, ask Him again, what are we supposed to do? Well, as I say upon to you, that is not the way to do your business. Because when you grow older into adulthood, and did I mention to you that this is a youth lesson? When you grow into adulthood, you're going to have to learn to just, when you ask for something, just take it as is, because people aren't going to have time for your second guessing. Those of you who want to be doctors, when you are in the trauma room, no trauma surgeon is going to have time to listen to if you ask them, oh, where is the intubation kit? Or, where do I place the intubation tube? Oh, in the trachea. Oh, excuse me, where was that again? Oh, where exactly do I place it? Oh, in the trachea. They're not going to keep telling you. Eventually, they're just going to cuss you out. They're either going to tell you, get the H out of my trauma room. You're not meant to be in here, or you shouldn't be a surgeon, or they're going to tell you something rude. Or they'll kick you off their service and fail you. Because remember, it's like regular school, except if you fail, somebody dies. So that's why they take it so serious. They don't want nobody dying. I just stepped right there. And by the time I come back to that same spot, that area I just stepped in froze. That's how serious it is when I say stay off these roads if you don't have to. Now, this is a youth department programming, so I'm not talking to anybody, really. But, well, maybe I'm in some country, I don't know. Some places, they let y'all drive early. I don't know. Oh no, it's all this snowing here. If you, I don't care. If you have snow problem, stay off the roads. If it's icing, stay off the roads. 'Cause see, I'm slipping in black ice right now, and I'm trying to find something to hold on to. And I'm going the wrong direction, trying to find my way out of it. Because now I just got caught in some black ice. Snow on the bottom of my shoe. Combine that with the snow on the ground. That's some bad black ice. You're gonna have black ice. Stay off the roads. And if you're on the road, 16, 17-year-olds, don't go 150 miles per hour like you always do. And even if they're dry, don't do it either way. 'Cause you always do that, and I always see you. Just do what God tells you to do, and stop second-guessing Him. Have a good day, and may God bless you.